sewing machine, and it is very easy to fill the bobbin and the needle. This is an electric sewing machine, so we need to plug the machine first. This is the body of the machine, which got two thread holders or spool holders which can be pulled out. There is one hole in this spool holder, so when we put the thread, we can insert the tip of the thread in the front spool holder, put the thread in this metal thread guide, bring thread down, wrap the thread around this gray middle area, bring the thread up, move the hand wheel to get the lever out, insert the thread in this lever, put the thread down, insert in the thread guide. There is one thread guide on the side also. Set the machine on straight. When you move it towards right, it's wider stitch, and left is a narrower stitch. Get the thread tip blunt. This machine got a hole visible from the front in the needle, so we insert the needle easily with the thread. Though I'm doing it manually, but this machine can be threaded automatically with the settings. So if you want that kind of video and how it is done, you can write in the comment section. I'll make a video for you. This is the bobbin and the bobbin case. We pull it out from the shuttle. Though I can keep this bobbin filled inside and fill another bobbin, this plastic bobbin which comes with the machine, but still I removed it out of sheer habit. Otherwise I can let it be and fill the another bobbin and it won't affect. So put the thread in another holder, insert thread in this hole which is on the side, same as your domestic sewing machine bobbin. Wrap it around the longer one. Okay, the shorter one you just keep fixed in your fingers, and once you wrap the longer part of the thread, then cut the smaller part. See how this thread is coming from the thread spool to the metal screw and then back to your bobbin. This bobbin, once you insert, you pull it towards back. Okay, then press the presser foot, the pedal. Machine would be on, the bulb would be on. Once this bobbin is filled, the machine will stop on its own. The needle would not move and the bobbin, the shutter would not move. Okay, while you are filling the bobbin. Now same as shown in the earlier video, put the thread in the bobbin. When you put this bobbin case in the shuttle, the hook would be on the top and there would be a tuck sound. When you fix it inside, the thread is already in the needle, and when you move the hand wheel, the bobbin thread would also come up easily, smoothly, and you can pull both the thread together. So this is the best thing I like about this machine, that I don't have to remove the needle thread and the bobbin while I fill another bobbin. So I can take out another thread, the one I use for filling the bobbin, and my needle is already that threaded. So I put the thread back and it is done. It's ready to stitch. So I take a scrap of a fabric, I try on it, so later on I can get my stitches right on my main fabric. The settings are on the stitch. The stitch is straight stitch, but later on I can set it as per my needs. I hope you like this video. If you want to know more about this machine, please let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.